You have crypto into your Metamask wallet and really pondering how to off-ramp into fiat and have that money sitting into your bank account. It really seems like something out of your grasp. Believe you me, it's not that hard the way you are thinking it. In fact, I'll be showing you 2 ways to sell your crypto tokens into your bank account. The first way, we'll be using Metamask SELL feature to off-ramp our crypto. However, you want to stick around for the second process since it's much more cost effective. You can as well jump into the timestamp showing on the screen for the second procedure, where we'll be using centralized exchanges to sell our crypto into our bank accounts. On your Metamask extension, you'll see buy and sell feature. You have send, swap, bridge, and portfolio. So we want to have a look on what the buy feature enables us to do. When you click there, it takes us to the buy feature, and now the token that we're going to buy is the Binance coin because we are interacting with the BNB Smart Chain network. So here you have the country that you are located in. You can change that one based on your location. Me being a Kenyan here, now it's showing on the shillings. Then now you have your payment method. By default, it's showing debit or credit card. You can as well choose mobile carrier. So that's on the buy feature. And now you also have the amount that you want to buy, which the minimum is 798 Kenyan shillings. So let's assume I want to buy for 1,000 shillings. Then I get quotes. They're saying that there are no quotes available as per now, but when you try it by yourself, you will realize that you can get quotes and now buy crypto tokens directly using your Metamask. Because we want to now sell our crypto tokens, the Binance Smart Chain, I'll be using the Binance Smart Chain because it's a bit cheaper to do this one on Metamask. So when we want to now sell, here is now where things go crazy. We said that we were on the Binance Smart Chain, but now when we click on the sell part, you can see it automatically jumps to Ethereum network. So this one means that when you're going to try to sell your crypto tokens within the Metamask app, you will only be able to sell Ethereum token. The minimum amount that you can sell is 0.058. And then the payment method, for me being a Kenyan, I can only use debit or credit card to make my selling. So based on your region, try and see those crypto tokens that you are being allowed to sell on the Metamask wallet. So this is the first way that you can use to withdraw your crypto tokens from Metamask directly into your bank account by connecting your debit card or credit card with Metamask. And then Metamask will now allow you to connect with the third-party providers that are now enabling you to off-ramp your crypto into your bank account. By watching this video on finding more ways to make money on the crypto market, I know you have a real fire within you to achieve success. That fire needs to be directed with the right mindset. I have put a well-explained summary of variety of books on finance in my Patreon page to get you the mindset you need. Find the link in the description below. The second way to sell your crypto tokens from Metamask is much cost effective. So this is the method that you want to use. Here we'll be using centralized exchanges. I'll be using Binance in this video, but you can as well use the other crypto exchanges that we know exist on the blockchain. So in order to sell your crypto from Metamask using Binance, you'll need to send your crypto token from Metamask into your Binance account. So let's assume now we choose BNB. Then you go to your spot account on Binance. Then you click on deposit. Then you want to deposit BNB. So we have here BNB. Then we choose the network because it's BSC network. So it will be BIP20. Then you have that one copied, the contract address. You go to your Metamask wallet. Once you are on your Metamask wallet, you now click on send because we want to withdraw our crypto from Metamask into Binance. So we have here the contract address. It's not the contract address. We have the public address, which is for Binance. Then we have BNB. Then we put the amount of BNB that we want to send into our Binance account. So 0.005 BNB will be 1.62 USD. Then once you are okay with that one, you click next. The gas fee is only 2 cents. This is why I always recommend using BSC network because it's very cheap to interact with this blockchain. So once your funds have landed on Binance, then here is now where we'll be able to sell our BNB token into our bank account. So in order to do that, go under the trades on Binance. Then we have here fiat. So because we want to sell our crypto into our bank account, we have here sell crypto feature. Then we click on BNB, and then we put the amount that you want to sell for this BNB, or let me say 75% of what I have on Binance. Then you click here to sell. As of right now, the server is saying that the server is busy right now, please try again later. So this is another way that you can use to sell your crypto tokens using Binance by just going under the fiat part, then click to sell, and then it will allow you to connect with your debit card so that your funds will be credited into your bank account. But I have even a better way to do it, which will actually be very fast, because we are all about speed here. Using your debit card or the sell feature on Binance will take some days for that funds to be credited into your bank account. So what you do want to do is click on P2P. Here you will now be trading with people on the marketplace on Binance. So once you are here, you can now trade with the different crypto traders in here, and then you make sure that it's showing based on your country, because for me it's showing Kenya shillings because I'm here in Kenya. So what you need to do first is go under your wallets. Then you need to transfer your BNB that you've deposited into Binance from Metamask. So just click here BNB. Then you will be transferring your funds from spot wallet into funding wallet. Now remember, you want to sell your BNB to these guys, so you need to click under the sell part, because by default it's shown under the buy part. Because you are now a seller, you want to click on that, and then now you can see there are ads for these guys who want to buy your crypto token. So by default it's showing USDT, which is the tether. So you want to change that one to BNB, because remember you've transferred BNB. So when you click the USDT, now you can see pop up for different crypto token that you can actually trade under the P2P. So we have here first one USDT, BTC, FDUSD, BNB, ETH, and SOL. So we want to sell our BNB, then you click that one. Then we have now these guys who are advertising for you to trade with them. Then you need to choose a trader that is within your country so that the trades can be very fast. So for me here in Kenya, the first person I'm seeing who has a better rate I'm seeing here is it's Crypto Bazenga. So Crypto Bazenga has payment methods that I actually prefer. He has M-Pesa Paybill, he has bank transfer, Airtel Money, and M-Pesa Kenya, Safaricom. Remember, I was showing you how to sell into your bank account. But with this thing, once you know how to convert your crypto to fiat money, it's very easy to navigate now from fiat to your M-Pesa to your bank account. It's easy peasy, man. So just go there, choose the one that has the payment method that you want. So me going with Crypto Bazenga, I click there sell. Then you need to put the amount of BNB that you want to sell to Crypto Bazenga. Let's assume you want to sell 0.05. It will now show, because I've not funded my funding wallet, it's saying insufficient balance. But in case I had funded that amount into my funding wallet, it would now allow me to see the amount that I will get in Kenyan currency from my BNB that I'm selling. I'd choose the payment method, which is bank. Then once he has received my order, he will pay me into my bank account. Then the escrow will now hold the crypto token. Once I'm okay with the payment, I've seen it, then I'll release. Binance will now finish off the transaction. So that's how you easily withdraw crypto from your Metamask wallet using Binance, then have that fund sitting into your bank account. Even after knowing that you can off-ramp your crypto from Metamask to bank via centralized exchanges, if you don't have the know-how of trading on the centralized exchanges themselves, then it's going to be a steep slope for you. I want to streamline the slope for you by directing you on Kucoin video that gives you a full guide on how to trade there. Click it now. Let's meet on the other side.